Welcome to our roundup of the best electric jigsaws available right now. Whether you're a DIY hobbyist, a woodworker, or a professional contractor, a reliable jigsaw can make all the difference in achieving precise and versatile cuts. The models we've selected combine power, control, and durability, ensuring you get the right tool for any project. We'll explore each option's key performance details, handling, and unique advantages to help you pick the perfect one. Don't forget to check the description box below for the latest deals. Let's dive straight into the list and see which jigsaw might be your next go-to tool. The first on the list is the Bosch JS260 top-handle jigsaw. This model is designed with user-friendliness in mind, making it a great option for those who want consistent performance without unnecessary complications. It is powered by a 6.0 amp motor that delivers solid cutting strength for wood, metal, and plastic projects. The variable speed control dial gives you the flexibility to match speed to material, ensuring cleaner and more accurate results. Its sturdy footplate design enhances stability, helping prevent blade deflection, which is essential for precision work. Another standout feature is the tool-less blade change system, allowing you to swap T-shank blades quickly and securely without needing extra tools. While it may not be the most advanced model, its balance of affordability, reliability, and Bosch's reputation for quality makes the JS260 an excellent starter jigsaw for both casual and semi-serious users. Overall, this jigsaw provides dependable cutting power, user-friendly handling, and long-lasting durability at a very approachable price point. Next up is the SKIL 6-amp corded jigsaw JS314901. This tool is built for versatility, offering great control and features at a budget-friendly level. Its 4-stage orbital action allows you to switch between smooth, fine cuts and aggressive, fast cuts, depending on your project needs. The tool-free blade clamp system makes changing blades fast and simple, minimizing downtime during work. Another advantage is the bright LED headlight, which illuminates your cutting line, ensuring accuracy even in dimly lit spaces. Combined with a stable foot adjustment, this feature helps you stay precise when working with detailed patterns or curved cuts. The SKIL JS31490 also includes a dust blower function to keep your cutting path clean, making it easier to follow lines. Overall, this jigsaw stands out as an affordable, easy-to-use option with advanced features that boost accuracy and convenience. Perfect for home workshops or occasional job site tasks. Next, we have the Bosch top-handle jigsaw, JS470E. This model is considered one of the benchmarks in the jigsaw category for its professional-grade performance and control. Equipped with a robust 7.0 amp motor, it delivers superior cutting capability for a variety of materials. Its precision-machined plunging system ensures smooth operation and reduces blade deflection, which is critical for accurate cuts. You'll also appreciate the variable speed dial combined with an accelerator trigger, giving you precise control over speed during operation. Another major highlight is the 4 orbital action settings, allowing users to adjust the blade stroke for smooth or aggressive cutting. With ergonomic handling, vibration reduction, and Bosch's constant response circuitry that maintains speed under load, this jigsaw is engineered for heavy-duty use. Overall, the JS470E is a high-performance jigsaw that delivers professional accuracy, power, and durability, making it an excellent choice for serious woodworkers and contractors. Coming up next, we have the Milwaukee M18 Fuel D-handle jigsaw bear tool. This cordless option is designed for those who want power and mobility without being tied to a cord. It runs on Milwaukee's M18 Fuel platform, delivering strong cutting performance while maintaining impressive runtime. Its POWRSTAT brushless motor provides fast and consistent cutting power across different materials. The RedLink Plus intelligence system ensures optimized performance while protecting the tool and battery from overload. Another key advantage is the D-handle design, which provides excellent grip and control during both straight and curved cuts. Users will also find the quick blade change system and adjustable shoe practical for fast adjustments. Overall, the Milwaukee M18 Fuel delivers cordless freedom, professional cutting strength, and advanced motor technology, making it a top pick for mobile contractors and serious DIY users. The last one on our list is the DeWalt 20V Max XR Jigsaw, DCS334B. Known for combining portability with precision, this cordless jigsaw is an outstanding balance of convenience and performance. Powered by DeWalt's 20V Max battery system, it offers long runtime and dependable cutting strength across various materials. The all-metal lever-action keyless blade change ensures blade swaps are quick and secure. Its variable speed trigger and dial combination give precise control, allowing you to adjust speeds seamlessly while cutting. Another great feature is the all-metal keyless shoe bevel with detents, which allows for easy angle adjustments up to 45 degrees for bevel cuts. Designed with DeWalt's signature ergonomic grip and built-in dust blower, This jigsaw offers comfort, control, and cleaner visibility on cut lines. Overall, the DeWalt 20V Max XR Jigsaw is a cordless workhorse that excels in flexibility, durability, and cutting precision, making it an excellent investment for both pros and dedicated DIYers. So, that's it for our roundup of the best electric jigsaws available today. If this video helped you, please give it a like and subscribe for more tool reviews and buying guides. All product links are in the description below. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay sharp and keep building.